What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Miggity Mac, and welcome to another show. On today's show, you guys, we're having like a little, we call this a little light soul food. I have some chicken, fried chicken right here, loaded mashed potatoes with cheese, bacon bits, and green onions. I got this from, I seen a video of Lips, he did this. I have some broccoli back here, and right here I have the Lips hot sauce. Y'all know I have to have it with my soul food. I'm gonna say my prayer, but we gonna get into this. Amen. Right here, this is just like a little mixed drink I just came up with. It's a little apple juice, cranberry juice, and diet ginger ale. Piggies up. We're gonna swirl a little bit. Look kind of like a sunset, a sunrise, something like that. Oh, that's good. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on just a moment. All right, y'all, I'm back. Put some of this Lips hot sauce on my chicken right there. I'll just put it on this one too. Y'all could get y'all Lips hot sauce at 2lips.com. This is the extra spicy, but now he has an extra spicy. So I'm gonna have to try that one. Y'all know your boy likes the spice. Let me show y'all. Y'all see that? As a matter of fact, I was gonna use a fork, but I'm just getting to it. So bomb. Loaded mash.
Okay.
How my snack wraps doing out there today? I pray everyone is fine. I'm doing great. I'm getting these videos together for y'all. I've been on it. That's good. And I did that in the air fryer. I steamed my veggies. This might be one of them videos. I'm using this one to cut the chicken. But this one may not break under the chicken. But I don't like the metal on the plate scraping noise. I'm trying to help y'all out. I'm y'all friend. I know that don't sound good when y'all hear that scraping noise. I say this is light soul food because, you know, a typical soul food probably would have been smothered chicken, potato salad, greens, yams, cornbread, you know, stuff like that. So this is like a little lighter version of a soul food dinner. Y'all remember that movie Soul Food? I know y'all gotta remember that movie. It's like a black classic. I remember when I was a kid, I used to pause like the video when they was doing the cooking and showing all the food. I should have known I was gonna be a mukbanger then, but I didn't know what mukbang was. It wasn't even out then, but I'm like pause it, rewind it. That part where they showing all the food and how they cooking the food. Big Mama, your arm. Y'all remember that part? Ain't no little turpentine in my sad moon hill. That was a good movie. But I hated that part when the dude that was trying to get with Bird, Nia Long character, and he kept showing his lips. He'd be like, yeah, I know your wife, Bird. I used to hate that part. Like, why he gotta talk like that? I know your wife, Bird. The family? Forget the family. You know what? The family slept with my husband. Oh, Miles. That movie came out when I was like, I think it was 97, so I was like 9. But that was the movie though. Now y'all don't get on me, but I've never seen Love Jones.
No. This fool is tripping.
I'm out of here.
You on your own there, bro.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. That's one movie I haven't seen. What's some black movies that are mandatory or hood classics or childhood classics that you guys watch that should be mandatory? Surprisingly, when I was a kid, I didn't care for Disney movies. The only Disney movie I liked was The Lion King. I think that's about it, The Lion King. I like Five Goes West, but I don't know if that's Disney or not. Five Goes West, all the Five movies. Land Before Time. All Dogs Go to Heaven. But Sleeping Beauty, Snow White. All those movies I didn't watch. Never seen Little Mermaid or Aladdin. I was too busy watching Boys in the Hood, Poetic Justice, Menace to Society. You know, real children movies.
Oh! Ah, the ghetto!
That's what I was watching. And I didn't turn out a bad kid. Like, I never got in any trouble or none of that. And people be like, you know, some movies you can't let kids watch because they might turn out violent, and violence in the movie and the cursing, the sex and all that. If you tell your kids the truth from the beginning, then they won't be so easily influenced. I grew up in a very conservative household. Like, there was no cussing, loud talking, violence, none of that in my household. Like, we didn't get down like that. But, you know, my mom always kept it real with us about life and things that go on in life, and from an early age. Like, I knew where babies came from at an early age, how they were made. All of that. I knew that you know, we get grown, there was bills to pay.
I'm in a bind, Nate.
Be responsible, you know, all that stuff. A lot of times parents shy away from conversations with their kids. I didn't grow up like that. So y'all comment down below. Did you grow up in a household where your parents didn't really talk to you about a lot of stuff? Or did you grow up in a household where parents talked about a lot of stuff? Or did you grow up in a household where parents talked about too much stuff? I think there's a fine line. This is good, y'all. But oh, back to the movies. Some hood classics, I think, are hood classics. Soul Food, 5 Heartbeats, The Temptations, Jackson 5, American Dream, Boys in the Hood, Menace to Society, Poetic Justice, excuse me, The Wood, what else? Best Man, Players Club. She said, "Make that money, girl. Don't let it make you." That's what Ebony and Diamond at the end. Make that money, girl. That ain't funny how she got like that, but I don't know. This stuff just stick in my head. Oh, I ain't forget about one of my all-time favorite movies, A Thin Line Between Love and Hate. That's one of my favorite movies. I could watch that pretty much anytime it comes on. That and how Def Jam's How to Be a Player. Before y'all touch any juice, make sure you get your water in. I done my gallon for the day. Yes, indeed. When y'all was kids, did y'all have that rule? You can't have no drink until after you eat. I get it, but I think it should be on a per child basis. Like each child is different. I was gonna eat my food and drink my drink, but that drink ain't had nothing to do with that food. I was gonna eat that food. So can I have them both at the same time, please? That wasn't a rule in my house, but other places you go, people, especially with older people, that was a rule. Don't touch that drink until you eat your food. Don't touch that yak till you straighten out your wig. That was what I was saying in my mind. I'm gonna stop right there. I'm doing too much, giving too much away. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for coming to kick with me. If you made it this far, leave a potato, a chicken, or a broccoli in the comments down below. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. We here. But yeah, thank y'all for coming to kick with me. Shout out to all my new snack wraps, all my day ones, everybody in between. We getting up there. We getting up there. Thank y'all for just coming to kick with me. And I will see y'all in the next video. Until we eat again, my beautiful snack wraps. Peace.